ठीक है. Okay. बस. Okay, students, for making this unicorn, we are going to use our drawing file horizontally. We will not keep it in standing position. We will be keeping it in this position, horizontally, okay? And then we will be needing black sketch pen. You all must be having. Right now, we need pencil and eraser only, okay? And for coloring, we need plastic crayons, okay? Yes. Okay, students. So first of all, when we use our drawing file this way, in sleeping position, it is called horizontally, okay? And when we draw this way, it is called vertically. Got it? Now, keep it in this position, horizontally. Okay? Now here, not in the center, but here, we all will be writing a shape of U, okay? U. And don't make very small, tiny U. We will make it this much big. U. Draw a shape of U. Come on with me. I will make it little more dark, but students, you will be making drawing with light. Don't put extra pressure. It's a U. Okay? As you are getting complete view of my file, you'll be able to see that how much big U is this. This is not a very small, tiny U. Okay? Yes. Now, after making, all of you make U. And students, try to see the picture and the instructions carefully and with very stable hands, with lots of care and attention you draw, so that you will not have to use eraser again and again. Okay? Yes. After this, show me your thumbs up if you have done with you. Show your thumbs up. Yes. Okay. Now what we'll be doing, these are 2 points. Take 2 points. Take 2 points. 1 and 2. Okay. Now this point we have now, just near this, take one more point. Near this, take one more point. And now we will be writing V. V for when. V. Right, V? Okay. And in that, write a small V. A big V, then a small V. Okay? Okay. Now, from this point, all of you say, from this point till outside of the face. This is face of unicorn. Outside the face, so do one thing, near this, take a point outside the U. Okay. Now from this point, I will go slow. I think you need little time for initial beginning. Yeah. Show your thumbs up if you have done this much, because this is the big starting of the drawing. So I want all of you with me. Okay. Show your thumbs up. Okay, right. ठीक है. Now, see, we took one point out of the U. Now this point and this point, we will draw a C. Draw a shape of C. Draw a shape of C. Yes. And you all must be knowing how to write S. Do you know how to write S? You'll take one more point here. Yes. And from here, you will write S and join. This C we have written now. S and join. Okay, this is S. S for okay, I'm repeating. I draw a C which is coming out of the face. I took one more point on ear and I wrote S. Okay, you can give a curve also. The senior students can give a curve. Juniors can leave it. S. This is S for sun. Okay.
Ma'am, can you start one more time?
Yeah, sure. I will repeat it on one more sheet. See, U, okay, U. Now, after writing U, we have these 2 points, right? Now, what we'll do, we'll take one more point and draw a shape of V. And in this V, we will write one more small V. Okay. Now, this point, the second point of U we have now, near this, you can take a point. Okay. And from this point till this point, you will draw a C. This is C. And after that, you will take one more point on ear and you will join this point with the help of S. Extend. Clear? Is this much clear? If this much is clear, please show your thumbs up. Please show your thumbs up. Yes. Yeah, right. Okay. Now, after doing this, you will be making the face of unicorn. You'll take 2 points and draw a line. It is a line but slightly curved. It's a kind of flat C. Okay. Yes. Join and show eyes. We will write C 2 times to show eyes. C 2 times to show eyes. 2 dots to show nose. Okay. And we will not show the smile here. We will show it on side. Smile. Okay. Show your thumbs up first. How many of you have done this much? I want to see your thumbs up. As soon as you finish this, show me your thumbs up. Okay, that's great. Yes, all of you. Okay. Now what you will be doing, students, near the lips, where we made this lips now, there you will be making taking a small dot. It's not in center, it's on side. Take a small dot and from here, draw a very small one. Draw a one. I'm making it dark so that you can see. But you all make the drawing very light so that you can erase. Okay? I'm making it dark with pencil so that you will get the clear view. Okay. Now, this partition we made now, here we have this point. Just over that. Thoda sa upar. Thoda sa upar. From here, okay, you will take a point. And, okay, done. Now take this point and make a line. Small line. It is looking like L. From here, draw a small line. Okay. Now what you are supposed to do, students, you will be writing U. U for umbrella. Okay?
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Yeah. I'm repeating on this sheet. What we did, we took 2 points and now we are supposed to divide. Very young kids, they can divide it straight line. And those who are little elder, they can draw a curved line. Okay. Now, see, 2 times to show eyes, 2 dots to show nose, and smile. Okay. Now, this partition of mouth we have now, over that, you will be taking a small line. And near mouth, you will be taking one line and make one line and a sleeping line. It's a L. This much we have done. Okay. Now, be very careful for this step. This point and this point, we will be joining with the help of U. U. Join it with the help of U. Okay. Yeah. What I did, this point and this point, I will be joining with the help of U. Okay. Now, after making U, what you are supposed to do, this bottom line we have now, this bottom line, take one point here and draw 1. Okay. And leave some line and draw one more one. Draw one more one. Yes. Now we have these last points. Okay. Now you will go this side, a small line this side. It's not touching. It's a small line. And same, you will be doing this side. Okay. Now do one thing, take your eraser. All of you take your eraser and erase the center line. Erase the center line. Yes. And what you will be doing, this 1, 1, 11 we have now, you will be taking the center point of this and join. Okay. Yeah, very good. Now, done or do this much. I'm repeating what I did. I took a point and draw 1. I took a point and draw 1. I took small line this side, small line this side. The middle line I erase and I join it from center. Okay, this much I have done. Okay. Now this 1 we have now. Draw a small C. Small C. And same you will be doing with this one. यहाँ पे भी C लिख दो. Write a C here also. C. Okay. Now, let's come on the head, or let's complete the body first. Now, what you will be doing, guys, students, you will be writing a big C. From here, you will be writing a big C and join. I'm repeating what you do. You do this thing. We have this point now. To take this point, over that, take a point. इसी के ऊपर एक point लो. ये जो point है, इसी के ऊपर एक point लो. Take one more point over. Yes. And after that, join this point and this point with C. Done? Show your thumbs up if you have done this much. Show your thumbs up. Yes, I'm repeating. When we finish this line, take a point above and draw a C for cat for making, okay, this face. And now what you're going to do, students, you are going, this is a point. Take a point here. I will just show the points. Over that, take one more point. Over that. Okay. Now what you will be doing? You will be writing a C till here. C. Join. I'm repeating. We took one more point here over this. Okay, I'm repeating on this. See, this point we have now. Over that, you will take one point and you will start your C and finish your C here. C. Okay. Now take your eraser and erase the line which is coming in C. You all make your lines very light so that whenever you want, you can erase them. I'm purposely making it dark so that you can see the lines. Okay. And don't forget to show one more small C. Draw one more small C near this.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the last step?
Sure. See what I did? I just took a point. I will erase and show it again. See, when we have this line now, over that, I will take one more point. Over that. Same we did here. But yahan pe the gap is big and here the gap is small. We took points over the last. And from this point to this point, I'm going to write C. And then what I will do, the line which is coming of the first line will be erased. So I will get a shape of this. And I'm going to write one more C this face. One more C. Okay. This face. Okay. Yeah. Finish this much and show your thumbs up. Then only I will step on. Show your thumbs up if you have done this much. Show if you are getting this much. Thumbs up. I want your thumbs up. Okay. Good. All of you. Yes. Okay. Please show your thumbs up. Many of you are not showing. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, take a point here. Now come back to the ear. Yahan aa jao is point pe. Come to this point. From here, you will be writing a C. From here, you will be writing a C, which is coming out of the body. Okay. See, from this point, I'm just coming down and or I will simplify it more. See what you're supposed to. I will simplify it more. From here, you will be coming straight down. आप यहाँ से नीचे आओगे, and from here you will be making a C. Till here, it will touch the body. Okay. From here, it will be touching the body. C. And the another point you will be taking. And again, we will be writing S. The same shape we made here. S. S and join. S and join. Yes. And erase the lines. Now see one thing, students, the hair which are coming, they're touching the face. They're touching the face. Okay. Then the line of the body you erase. Line of the body you erase. Okay. And now we are going to show. Okay, now before proceeding, I want to see the drawing. Please, all of you, show your work on the screen. Show your work on the screen. Yes. Show all of you. Close to the screen. Okay, that's good. Okay, very good. Yeah. Jayesh, come close, Jayesh. Yana, show your work. Yes. Jayesh, erase the line of this body part, okay? Come close, Yana. Okay, right. Okay. Show, all of you show. Good, good. Good. Sudita, show your work. कनक, जिनका ठीक है उनका मैं कुछ बोल नहीं रही हूँ. शो. ठीक है, very good. Yes, yeah. ठीक है, that's good. This complete batch has done. This Oppo, ये Oppo A9. बेटा योर दिस शेप यहाँ पे है ना, आपने इस शेप को, दिस शेप यू हैव मेड दिस वेज. नो, वी डोंट वांट दिस शेप. ओके, दिस आई डोंट नो योर नेम. Red t-shirt with blue jacket. You are supposed to make it. See, and then curved. This is S. Okay, change this part. Rest you all have done nice. Good. ठीक है? And please rename yourself. There are many. Yes. This is Lenovo tablet. Please show. Jagat bhi show. Very good. बाकी सबका ठीक है. जिनके में गड़बड़ दिख रहे हैं ना उनको I'm just Arya show. Ethan you have shown ना. Very good. हाँ ठीक है. And very nice. Nimisha Narvani, this is Galaxy A9. Please rename your screen. Good, very good. Show your work. Nimisha, show your work. ठीक है, good. And I don't know the name Galaxy. ठीक है. Rest all have given good efforts. Shabash. But many of you have not erased this line. ठीक है. Many students, they did not erase this line. Please erase this line. The line of body you will be erasing. Okay. Now, yes. Now what you do, you take a line in center of the upper wave of hair. And you will be showing a V. We can do one thing, we can make it little up. And this is that single V. Okay, this is a line. And then we wrote reverse V. And after, when the class will get over, you all are going to revise this. Because in this, you have learned to draw one animal in sitting posture. Okay? This ways you can try horses, cows, buffaloes, all in sitting posture. So please do the revision. Okay? Because animal anatomy is almost same for your group. Okay? Okay. Now, this is done. Now come at the back. Take 2 points. 1 and 2 to show the tail. Okay, same ways. The tail, this back side here, the front side here, the technique is same. C and then S. Okay, there is no change. From here, C, draw a C from this bottom one. Okay, yeah. And from the upper one, again, we will be writing S and curved. You can give more curve if you want. Okay. And here we will be making lines with colors. While filling colors, we will be making pink, yellow, and blue lines. Okay. Okay. Now here, come to this part. We already have one line. Show one more line here. Okay. Yes. Now we want to show that this unicorn is doing rest in clouds. Okay. Yes.
नहीं हो गई ना unmute.
Can you hear me now, students? Can you hear me now? Yes, yes. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. Okay? So I will be repeating this again. See, students, I want to show that this unicorn is doing rest. Okay? Rest on cloud. So, you start, take a point here, near mouth. This partition, draw a big C, then small, then very small, and make very tiny C. Then again a big C, small, big, small, big, C of different size. It will look as if this unicorn is doing rest on a cloud. Okay. After coloring the whole drawing, if you want to show clouds with the help of cotton, you can do pasting of cotton to show puffy white clouds. It will look better, great. Oh, no? Now this cloud is here. One more cloud, back side. Again, the method is same. A big C, small C, very small, tiny. Okay. Then again big, then again small, very small, big. Just see the C of different sizes. Okay. Keep showing C, make many clouds. Okay. Here. I'm showing again. See, it's a big C, then small. Many students are very young in our batch. So for them, cloud is also, they need to learn how to draw cloud. See, students, a big C, small, very small, very tiny, of medium size, and big, small, this way. Okay, show many. I want to show one incomplete cloud from here. You can show this kind of clouds also. Okay, one at the top. And one small here. And you know what? I want to show that all clouds are so happy. That unicorn is doing rest on them. That's why they all are happy. Show happy clouds. Each cloud is happy. Because you know what? Unicorn is a magical. Yes, each cloud is happy. You can show if you want, or you can leave them like that also. Okay. And as we want to show that this is night. Yes, one more thing is left. Show a small heart here. Okay. So make clouds first. All of you make clouds. Make clouds. Take your own time and show at least. I have shown 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 complete clouds and 2 incomplete clouds. So you can make clouds. Okay. Small clouds. You can, and no need to count. You can make, if your unicorn is big and very less space is there, so you can make 2 or 3 also. Okay, if you feel that your unicorn is quite small, then you can make cute clouds. Okay. Yes. And now we will be showing a small heart shape here. For making a small heart shape here, take a point, write 3. 3. Write 3 here, small 3. Okay. Now see, we have these 2 points of 3. 2 points of 3. We have these 2 points of 3. So what we are going to write? We will be writing V. From this point to this point, write V. So you will be getting a small heart shape. Okay? I will be making it dark so that you can see. And now I want to show that stars, very small tiny stars we can see here and there. What you are going to do, draw a plus. This is a sign of plus, right? Now we will write sign of cross, small, but it will be small. Okay, like this. Make one here. Plus will be big and cross will be small. Okay. And you know what? Wherever there is unicorn, there is love all around. Okay. So we are going to show small tiny hearts also. Plus, multiply, plus, cross. Okay? Although this figure is very small, but you are supposed to draw it very carefully. Okay? Don't hurry. Otherwise, what will happen? It will be untidy. One I want to show here. Yes. Okay. Now, we can make one here also. Yes. If you want, you can add small hearts if you want. If you don't want, no need. But if you feel that I want to add few 2, 3 hearts, then you know the method. 3, 3, and these 2 points we have V. V. Or you can start with V also. V. And over that, these 2 points we have now. Here you can write 3. You can do this ways also. Okay? You can start with V and then V. I think this will be easy for you. 3. Okay? Show few heart shapes also. You also. Okay? I think background is done. It's enough. Don't make too many. Okay? This is enough. Now we want to show the lines of hair. Now, what we will be doing? This C we have now. Take one point and draw one more. See carefully. Do it that beautifully that eraser should not be required. Okay? Then again, slowly. If you'll rush, what will happen? The lines will be untidy and your whole drawing will be spoiled. Again, from here we can show the curve. Okay? Or we can show we could have shown the curve that ways also, but let's go this way. I want to see the work of the students first. Okay, now, yes, show. Please close to my camera. I want to see the perfect output. Yeah. Yes. Wow. Show. Shabash. Pavika Jain, show. Pavini Agrawal, yes, good. Shabash. Jayashri, Yana, show your file. Show Jayashri close to, good. Yes, yes, good. Shabash. And now, Sheesh Salwan, very good. Shivansh, very good. Avika, badhiya, good. Tanak, theek hai, good. Sudita, show your file. Mahanyak, very nice. Abhimanyu, बहुत बढ़िया, good. हाँ, Sudita, I want 2 files. Come on, show yours also. हाँ, शाबाश, ठीक है. Yes, very nice. Lenovo, please rename yourself. I know I can read only a CR now. Lovely. Redmi, show. Arya, show. Vihan, very nice. Pranav, show. Pranav Karthik. Ithan, very good. हाँ, शाबाश. तब तक जो those who have shown ना, start giving outline. जिनके drawings का correction मैंने कर लिया, they will give outlines with black sketch pen. Start giving outline with black sketch pen. हाँ, निमिषा नूरवानी ठीक है. विहान शो. निहारिका बहुत अच्छा बनाया, good. आर्या का हो गया. हाँ, वेरी गुड विहान, रख दो इसे. अब आउटलाइन शुरू करो. सारे स्टूडेंट्स आउटलाइन शुरू करो. पहर, गुड. काशवी, गुड. जयेश, एक मिनट दिखाओ. जयेश फाइल दिखाओ अपनी. हाँ, थोड़ा और पास लाओ. हाँ, गुड. करो, आउटलाइन करो. व्यान आर्या. मन्नत दिखा दो जरा. कोमल एंड लोएंदर. Ridya, dikha. Shabash. See, this line will be erased. Many students, you don't erase this line. Students, this line will be erased. ठीक है, ये वाली line भी erase होगी. करो भी. बाकी students और दिखाओ. अक्षीन, very good. वैभवी दिखाओ जरा. जगत, वेदमी, जय, लक्षित, ठीक है. लक्षित, अक्षित, हाँ, ठीक है, good. I'm not calling out the names of many students because their work is good. जिनका नहीं देख पा रही हूँ, those only I'm calling the names of those. ठीक है, good. Rest you all have done very nicely. Okay. Now here also, let's finish this part also. No. Now here we will be showing line according to the curve. Slowly. Shabash. This way. Slowly. Show the curve. Okay. And same we are going to do here. First of all, we will make lines in this horn. Here we will be showing slanting lines. Many students, they did not erase this line. You are supposed to erase this line also. Show slanting lines. Okay. And after that, we are supposed to show hair. For making hair, you will start from here. Slowly and carefully. Again. Slowly and carefully. Then here. And then here. Okay. This face. Now we all will pick up our black sketch pen and we will start giving outlines. Okay. So now see students, what mistake normally students do? They start outlining from the back side. They start moving line this way. This is wrong. Always start from the front. Front to back. Okay. आगे से front to back. Never move your line back in opposite direction. Okay. Now slowly and slowly, all of you start doing this. Finish this. All the lines. Big or small, you are supposed to do it very carefully. No need to rush. Okay. Sometimes in SST and science, you are asked to make drawing of animal. And you find it very challenging and difficult for me to make one animal. So you can try. Okay, see, I'm from front to back. This ways. You will not move your sketch pen in opposite direction. Back to front, no, it's wrong. This ways. Okay. Eyes, clouds, everything we will be outlining. And while giving outlines in face, you need to be very careful. And you all must be knowing, students, our very first step is making drawing. Second step is giving outlines. And our third step is erasing extra lines. Okay. So after completing our outline, what we are going to do, we will be erasing. You all complete outlines in unicorn first. Okay. Slowly. If you will revise 2-3 times, now you will, the method of making one animal. Okay, front to back. And every time you will be observing S and then C. Every time when I want to show here, this is S, C, S, C, S, C. Okay. Clouds. Yes. Okay. Now you must be watching, there are few lines of pencil I can see. So in our third step, that is erasing extra lines, I will be erasing all this. Ah, wow, good. Now do one thing, those who have given outlines, they will erase extra lines. Now with eraser, you will be erasing all extra lines. Erase all extra lines. Okay, erase all the lines. And many are doing. Many are doing. Take your own time, no need to rush. Okay, take your own time. Nobody will rush. Complete the outlines. All of you finish this cloud and unicorn, and rest all the clouds you outlines you will be doing in homework. Okay. Okay. Now please see. First finish this cloud and unicorn. Now pay attention. Erase all extra lines. Now see, I'm erasing all extra lines of pencil. You can see there are so many lines of pencil in unicorn. Here you can see the few lines of pencil. I can see few lines are here. So what I'll do, I will see remaining all the clouds and stars you will be doing in homework. So first, let's do start coloring with unicorn. Very carefully, okay? You will not be harsh with your paper. I will be erasing all the lines. Now see, my whole artwork has become clear. And see all the lines, small lines of pencil I have erased and make it clear. Okay, now what you will be doing? You will be, let's start doing colors. Yes, okay. We will be taking sky blue, yellow, this is light blue, yellow and pink. These three colors I'm going to use for hair of unicorn. Okay? Take these three colors. Okay? And first of all, we will be completing this complete mouth with pink. And here we will be using very light pink. Okay? Like this. See, I will start from this corner. I will start from this corner and it's very small, tiny strokes I will be starting. Very small. It's very light, not dark. Okay. See, I'm going in sleeping lines. I'm not changing my direction. Sleeping lines, small sleeping lines. And each stroke we are supposed to repeat 4 times, slowly. I'm not moving this ways and that ways, no. Sleeping lines. You can take red and just show this line. And don't forget to show 2 circles here. 1 here, 1 here. Okay. And here also pink. You all know that unicorn is of white color. So this paper is white. So no color is required to fill in this body. It is going to be white only. Heart with red color. Yes, heart. Now you can see a few lines of pencil. I can see. I will erase and clean it. Now it's clean. Start from the side. Small standing lines. Fill the heart with red. And this, yeah, heart with red, mouth pink, this is pink. And the inner part of ear, this inner V, small V, fill pink. Okay, now this V shape, cone shape, which we showed here, we will be using light blue color. Start doing. I will start from the top in standing line. And this ways I will be completing my whole artwork. Okay, this ways. Now let's start with the tail. Now I'm going to use these 3 colors. Okay, these 3 colors I'm going to use. This is pink. This is yellow. You can take any yellow. This is lemon yellow. You can take deep yellow also. And I have taken light blue. Okay. Now I will start doing. I will start from the corner and will start moving in one direction. See, look at my strokes. These are very, very small. Very small. Don't go for big strokes. Otherwise, what will happen? That softness and rhythm, that flow will disappear. Okay? Fill it till the corner. Then I will be taking yellow. And one more thing, students, very soon we will be learning watercolors also. Impression art. Okay? So hopefully you all must be having watercolors. Show how many of you are having watercolors with you? Not now, next time. After a few days, we will be doing one activity with impression art. You all are going to enjoy. Okay? So I will tell you in previous class, and we will be learning watercolors also. How many of you love to do watercolors? Raise hands. Show your thumbs up. How many of you love watercolors? You all. Yes, I know. That's why I'm going to teach you a very, very good artwork with impression art. Okay? Impression art we'll be doing. And very soon we are going to do all this. Okay? After yellow, start with blue. And see, I start from here and I'm going for small, small lines. Nobody will go for big strokes and no extra pressure on your color. And one thing, students, your color should be sharp, pointed. Okay? Again, pink. Start from here. And again, yellow. Okay, tail is done. Same ways we are going to do here. Here, okay? Pink. Always you will start your coloring from here. And see, students, the complete column should be filled. If you will fill in a hurry, the output will not come out beautifully, okay? Pink, yellow, blue, see how small my strokes are. I'm not changing the direction, right? Again, pink. Take pink again. Start from here and very small strokes. And I'm again repeating, students, when the class will be over and after doing your homework and all, whenever you will be finding time with the help of recording, you will do practice of this figure. Okay? After pink, again yellow. And never put extra pressure on your color. When we start putting extra pressure on color, what happens? The output is not that satisfactory and the color, they just break down in small pieces. Blue. Slowly. This way. And same ways, we are going to finish the front hair. Okay, start with the pink. Fill colors properly. There should be no white space left. Hai na? It should be filled very nicely. Pink. And then I will be taking yellow. Come on, do. Anika, do beta. Then blue again. You will start from the corner and move ahead. Pink again. After pink, yellow. Okay, so unicorn is done now. Our unicorn is very good. Many of you are showing and it's really looking very nice. Good. Okay, now we want to show the cloud. Let's do, take dark blue color. Take dark blue color. Dark blue and start from this corner. This corner you start sleeping lines. Very light, not dark. You will start making this cloud dark blue. And see, the color is very light. Dark blue I'm going to use very light. See now, see here, there is very less space left. But I will not change the direction. I will go for small sleeping lines. At any cost, we are not going to change the directions. Sleeping, it means sleeping and very small. Small strokes.
Ma'am, can we do blue color to the body?
Blue, better you leave it white because we are doing here blue now. So they both will become monotonous. We are filling color in cloud because we want to show the body more bright. So don't fill blue color. One thing if you feel like to do, you can do the only thing with only the lines you can do with sky blue if you want, which is not even required. But still, if you want, you just show the outlines with light blue color, but don't fill blue color in body. Okay? Because the cloud is blue, then the body is blue, so everything will become blue. And I think it won't look very good. So it's better. See now, I'm not changing direction. See, sleeping and slowly in sleeping way only I'm going to fill this part. See, look at this. I've not started moving straight. I'm going in sleeping line only. If space is very less, I will go for very small, tiny sleeping lines. But I will not change my direction. This is the only thing which you are supposed to keep in mind. Sleeping line and small strokes. And see, blue, I'm not applying lots of pressure and force on my color. Sleeping line. I will keep you knocked. Okay. And the rest drawing we will complete together. Nobody will fill colors by his or her own. Okay. I will guide you and we all will be completing the work with the only homework for all of you is you will give outlines in all the clouds and stars and hearts and you will erase extra lines. This is only the homework for you. This ways. Okay. And you will complete small sleeping lines. Nobody will go for big lines. If you will go for big stroke, it will immediately spoil your output. Small sleeping lines. Yes. This ways sleeping line everywhere. And our cloud and unicorn is done. Now next period, as the class is about to get over, next period we will be completing the whole background. Okay, this complete work we will be doing next time. Nobody will fill colors in everything by his or her own. We will be doing colors together. Okay, and with this I will have to wind up my class because the time is up. But students, promise me you all will go through the recording and make this drawing again. You will do practice of this drawing. Okay, otherwise what will happen, you will forget the method. So if you will be doing, if you will do revision, the method, the steps will be more clear. Okay, so with this I'm going to wind up. All the clouds, yeah, many of them are showing their work and it is truly amazing. See the outlines in all clouds, in stars, in hearts you do. And next period we will be completing the coloring. Okay, with this I'm taking your leave. Bye-bye. Bye students, take care.